Good morning. My name is P. Tej Roshnita, roll number 110 from Civil IDP second year. Today, I'm going to give the presentation about the topic types of batteries and its characteristics. So these are the topics we are going to discuss today. Those are types of batteries, primary and secondary batteries, and its examples, and important characteristics of types of batteries. So a definition of a battery. So we all know that basic definition of a battery is a device that converts chemical energy into electrical energy, and it has three main components. Those are anode, cathode, and electrolyte. And anode and cathode together called as electrodes. So basically, cell contains only one anode and cathode, whereas battery contains many anodes and cathodes. Batteries consist of two main types. Those are primary and secondary batteries. Primary batteries are those which are non-rechargeable, single use. Well, that means they are charged only once. They're charged only once and cannot be recharged, and they're thrown away after use. So they have specific energy, limited energy. Whereas secondary batteries are those which can be rechargeable. That means chemical reactions in that cell can be reversed by applying some voltage. Examples of secondary batteries are mobile phones, power banks, etc. Some more detailed information about two types of batteries. So, as we have discussed, definition of primary batteries, these batteries are designed for a single use and cannot be recharged. Examples are dry cells, alkaline cells, also zinc carbon also known as Lakeland cells, alkaline cells, zinc chloride cells, mercury cells, and lithium ion cells. These are the examples. These can be applied in daily uses in toys, flashlights, hearing aids, calculators, remote controls, and many uses of it. Advantages of these are long shelf life, ideal for low voltage drainage applications. Disadvantages, once they're depleted, they cannot be used again. They must be discarded. And secondary batteries, these batteries are those which can be recharged again, like they're present in mobile phones and power banks. The energy can be restored to their original conditions by reversing the current flow, that is charging. Examples are lead acid batteries, nickel cadmium batteries, lithium ion batteries. In lead acid batteries, generally anode, lead metal is the anode and lead dioxide is the cathode, and electrolyte is H2SO4 solution, that is sulfuric acid solution. Basically, for many batteries, liquids will be acting as electrolytes. So, advantages of nickel cadmium batteries are they are of low cost, very large, and they can be used in high current applications. This consists of 2 volts, and important characteristics of different types of batteries. These are the key characteristics of batteries, that is voltage, capacity, energy density, power density, discharge curve, temperature dependence, and safety. We'll be discussing one by one. So voltage, generally a battery consists of positive and negative terminal. Between these positive and negative terminal, potential will be developed. And the difference between potential, these potential is known as voltage. So coming to capacity, capacity is the maximum amount of electrical energy that can be stored by a battery. These are measured in ampere hours. Energy density, also known as specific density, specific energy, is maximum amount of maximum capacity that a battery can uh, store is known as energy density. Amount of energy a battery can store per unit weight or volume is known as defined as specific energy. Power density, the amount of power a battery can deliver per unit weight or volume is known as power density. And discharge current, the maximum current a battery can deliver is known as discharge current. And discharge curve is the relationship between the battery's voltage and its state of charge as it discharges. That is, how quickly the battery discharges is known as discharge rate. And temperature dependence can be defined as when the device is heated up due to external temperature. In order to protect the battery, when the temperature increases, the performance gradually decreases so that it can protect the battery, which affects the device. So this is the graph of the effect of temperature on battery capacity. Voltage and time of discharge. Voltage is on y-axis and time of discharge is on x-axis. So temperatures T1, T2 and T3 are noted. This is a graph of temperature dependence. So safety features are batteries are designed with safety features to prevent issues like short circuits, overheating and explosions. And material selection is a very important characteristic in order to select the particular type of battery. Manufacturers choose chemically stable materials to ensure battery safety. And other important characteristics are as follows: cycle life, charge efficiency, and internal resistance. So cycle life is number of charge discharge cycles a battery can undergo before its capacity degrades significantly. Charge is the efficiency of the battery during charging, and internal resistance with the battery that impedes the flow of charge. Thank you.